thanks for tuning in again, guys. This is the Real Reviews, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Life Home 51-inch upholstered bed. This is the light beige color. It also comes in the black and the gray. So if you guys have seen my other review, I have it's about a 50 minute how to install the bed fully. So if you guys are interested in the tools you need, how to put it together step by step, and the final outcome, how it looks without the mattress, what kind of slats are on it, and how to put it together, please subscribe, guys. Please give me a thumbs up, and please watch my other review on the Life Home bed. I also have all kinds of reviews on mattresses, on pillows, on electronics, so please check out my channel. So today we're doing the Life Home bed, and I'm going to do a full review. I've been sleeping on it for about a week now. All kinds of movements, jumping on the bed, stability. We're going to measure the headboard height today. We're going to take a look at everything that I've noticed today. So if you guys can see this is a king size, but it also comes in queen, full, I believe twin. I don't want to lie, but I believe twin as well. And the price is just fantastic. Amazing price on this bed. And I went to a couple big box stores, and this same bed with maybe a slight difference is 4 times the price, around $700 to $1,200. So if you guys are thinking on this bed, the Life Home 51-inch upholstered bed, I'm going to put the link below. I bought it on Amazon. It's a go, guys. It's a definite go, and you guys will not be disappointed with this bed. It's fully stable, and I move around, I jump on it, no creaks, no sounds at all, and it's fully solid. If you can see right here, I have 2 charcoal gray cabinets on the side. We're going to actually change that out to some mirrored side tables. I'm going to do a review when I buy it on Amazon, but it kind of fits with my old bed. So let me kind of bring you around now and show you the headboard itself. And if you can see right here, the quality on the headboard is amazing. And I'm going to kind of go over right now and do a measurement for you guys. So here I got a tape measure, and it's a 6-foot tape measure, and we're going to measure it from the bottom of the floor. We have carpet in this room, and you know, we'll see if it's actually 51 inches. Wow, it's actually about 48 inches. So it's not 51 inches like it says, but the headboard is very high and it looks great in our room. So it's not 51 inches. That's a little bit disappointing. But now my biggest question is, how big of a mattress do I need? So let me bring this camera down, and you see the headboard right there, and you see how far my pillows cover the headboard. And if we look at that, this mattress right here, from the bottom of the slats up, is around, I would say, 11.5 inches. So we have 11.5 inches from the slats all the way to the top of the mattress. So if you look at that, if you have about a 10.5 or a 10-inch mattress, you should be fine covering the hole right there. And that was my biggest concern, because I wanted a board that would be covered by our mattress. I don't want my pillows going into there. So make sure you can also put a little riser on the slats as well. If you're thinking about doing that, you can put maybe a 2-inch riser, but the mattress doesn't move. This is a platform bed, but there is a little space. Let me take you down. If you can see the slats right there. So right there is actually, from the slats up, you're talking about 1.1 inches or about 3 centimeters. So 1.1 inches, about 1.5 inches, 1 inch, 0.125 you have between the top of the slats that your mattress sits on to how high it is for the side panels, so it doesn't move around. So that's a great plus. A lot of the headboards I saw, or the platforms I saw, sits on top, and when you jump on, the mattress will always slide around. It's also really nice right here that there's some edge support that your mattress won't fall off. So this is a very solid bed. Let me take you back now, and we'll kind of look at the edge of this right here. And if you can see the feet right there, the feet are very nice. It only comes with 2 feet, and the feet raise the bed 6 inches. So you have a 6-inch raise on the bed from the ground, if you can see that right there. And from there to the top of the mattress, and as you guys saw before, it's 11 and a half inch mattress. It's about 25 inches to the top of the mattress right there. So it is 25 inches, and I think it's just right. It fits perfect for me. I get off really nicely. And if you guys are thinking about buying an end ottoman or anything like that for your bedroom, this is what a regular size ottoman looks like at the end of your bed. This is the dark gray to match our old bed set for the cabinets. It works great with the light beige, but we're actually gonna change this out and take this downstairs. But that's really what you're looking at. And this thing right here, this kind of end, is about a 49 inch. Life Home also sells a 70 inch that will cover the end of this bed, so you have a little more. But we're thinking about just taking this out, and the bed looks phenomenal without it. It just kind of sets the room, looks beautiful, looks very elegant. With sheets, it looks amazing as well. Let me raise this up to give you a full view of the bed itself. Let me see how far I can take it back. The bed is just gorgeous, and I would definitely recommend it. It took me about 45 minutes to put together. Watch my other video if you guys are concerned about it, how hard it is. I do step by step per the instructions given. If your bed does come without instructions, you can definitely watch my video and you guys will be definitely okay. So, alright guys, thank you for tuning in. The bed is great. No noises, no creaks. Everything came undamaged. Let me also, before I go, do a headboard movement. So if you're thinking about how it's going to be, if you're putting the pillow up or anything, the movement on it, it's got a little bit of movement. It's connected, but it's only connected on the bottom. So it has a little bit of movement, but it never moves. Trust me, I've had this bed for a week. No issues whatsoever. Wonderful bed, wonderful, and I definitely recommend it, guys. I'll put the link on the bottom. I don't get any promotions out of it or anything else. Watch my other videos. Please subscribe, guys. I got more to come. Thank you.